guys, welcome back to the Royal Enfield Adventures. My name's Taz, and these are the bags that have just arrived from India, Rajasthan I believe. I bought them on eBay and they're about $80 for the pair, and in themselves they're pretty good quality. I'm quite happy with the quality of the bag. They're just about half the size I thought I'd get, and also they're natural leather where I ordered dark brown. The coloration itself is really inconsistent. That bag is a completely different color to that bag. That piece of leather is completely different color to that piece of leather, etc. So in itself I'm not real impressed with the color, but the quality is pretty high. The stitching's good. You've got this canvas lining, you've got brass zips, a number of different dividing pockets for phones and coins, etc, etc. You've got an external pocket again for a phone or something like that. On the back you've got brass buckles for mounting, and I'll mount them up later for you to have a look at. They look pretty good on the bike. They certainly suit the era that the bike is shooting for that sort of 50s look. But what I have bought is some renovating polish in dark brown to try and sort of stain this leather and see whether that darkens it up. This is beeswax. It's natural and it's dark brown, which is the colour I was hoping for. So we'll give it a go and see whether it achieves what I'm after. Soft cloth, in this case it chucks. It absorbing the polish quite nicely, and it is actually changing the colour pretty quickly. So there's the polished bag, and that hasn't come up too bad. You can still see a bit of inconsistency, but it adds to the patina. At least the colour is pretty even now across the front, back and each piece of leather that's used. Bit happier with that. We'll have a go on the second one and see if I can get it to look as good as this first one. There's the two bags polished up there. You can see the colour is a lot darker. It's also a lot more consistent. I'm much happier with that. They'll actually look pretty good and end up matching the seat on Doug pretty well. So the only thing that annoys me is that it took about half an hour of time, $10 to buy the polish, considering they weren't particularly cheap, I would have thought that they would have been a little bit more consistent, but they're up to a standard that I'm happy with now. We'll head out, we'll get dug out, and we'll put them on the bike and have a look at the final product. The Royal Enfield is made for bags like this, so we'll install them. Yeah. Perfect on that side. You can see that the Royal Enfield is made to install old school panniers like this. You can get some complicated rack systems, but it comes stock with this separate to the rear fender, so that you can hang these old school bags. Historically all panniers were like this. It's only these days that we're spoilt for choice, like by brands like Touratech and things like that, that have got these amazing hard panniers built on frames. This is how luggage used to be, and so it's error correct. Looks fantastic. The more I look at them, the more happy I am with them, despite the colour hiccup. Stepping back, they look amazing. They look really good. They're really era specific to the sort of 50s that this bike is going for. Left and right side, pretty easy to undo as they wear in and they'll loosen up, be easier to manipulate. There's the inside. You can see the zips and the canvas liner. Bags expand out when you've got items in there. There's a number of dividers, 2 internal zippered pockets for phone and coins. Yeah, they look great. I'm happy with them. So because they're handmade, just keep your expectations realistic and just polish them if they don't suit the colour you're after, and you'll end up with an excellent product that's about 1/3 the price of the actual Royal Enfield bags. So guys, my name's Taz, this is Doug, these are the new side bags or panniers. Till next time, I am out.